Deserve ko to. Pinaghirapan ko naman to eh. Minsan lang naman. Reward ko to para sa sarili ko. Let's be honest. Lahat tayo nasabi na yan at some point. And there's nothing wrong with rewarding yourself. Pero ito yung na-realize ko. One of the most expensive word in personal finance is the word deserve. Deserve. Every time we receive salary, commission, business income, parang ang dali nating sabihin na, deserve ko ng bagong phone, deserve ko mag-travel, deserve ko mag-check out. Pero, bihira nating sabihin yung, deserve kong magkaroon ng emergency fund, deserve kong maging debt-free, deserve kong magka-investments. Sometimes, confused tayo with temporary happiness, with long-term financial peace. But don't get me wrong ha, there's nothing wrong buying nice things. Gusto din naman ni God na mag-enjoy tayo sa blessings na binibigay niya. Pero yung problema is pag yung kada blessing mo nagiging expense. Yung tipong lahat ng kinikita natin, ginagastos din natin. Kasi ano nga tayo sa feeling natin, deserve natin yun. So hindi natin nabibigyan ng pagkakataon yung pera na mag-grow. Before buying something, try to ask these questions. Number 1, do I need this or do I simply want this? There is a big difference. Yung needs improves your life. Pero yung wants, it satisfies your emotion at that moment. Number 2 is that, can I truly afford this? Kasi pag may credit card ka, diba? Iniisip mo, afford mo na lahat. Pero yung real question doon, kaya mo bang bilhin yon na hindi masasacrifice yung savings mo, yung emergency fund mo, yung peace of mind mo? And the last question, number 3. Will this purchase bring me closer to my financial goals or farther away? Yung isang question lang na yun, pwede ka nang makasave ng thousands of pesos. Wise people don't spend everything they receive. They think about tomorrow, they prepare, they plan. Natutunan ko na yung financial freedom, hindi siya mabibuild sa isang malaking decision. It is built by hundreds of small decisions. Every time you choose to save instead of impulse buying, every time you choose peace instead of showing off, you're building the future that your family will thank you for. So next time na magsasabi ka ng deserve ko to, pause for a second. Instead ask, what do I deserve more? A new gadget or financial peace? A temporary excitement or a secure future? Because sometimes the greatest reward you can give yourself isn't another purchase. It's the freedom of knowing that your finances is getting stronger every single month. Thank you so much for listening, and remember, you don't have to look rich to become wealthy. Sometimes the wisest financial decision is the one that no one else sees. God bless you. Bye.